Yeah, Bharat Prasad ji, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Bharat Prasad. I am from Bokaro, Jharkhand. I did my schooling from DB Public School, Alpania. After that, I have completed my Bachelor's of Physical Education from Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education, Gwalior, and my specialization is yoga. And after that, I have completed my Master's of Physical Education from Swarnim Gujarat Sports University, Gandhinagar, and my theory specialization is Physical Education Pedagogy. And my highest achievement is I had participated in state level yoga championship, and I also have NCCC certificate. And my hobby is folk dancing. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Bharat ji, have you any special achievement in yoga?
Sir, I participated in state level.
State level. Okay, fine. When you had completed your MPEd?
In 2022.
2022. And what you are doing now?
Sir, I am preparing for the KVS exam.
You are preparing for only KVS exam?
Yes, sir. My MPEd was finished in December 22, and that time the notification of KVS come, and I start preparing for the KVS interview.
Okay, good. You had completed your NCCC certificate also?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by pedagogy?
Pedagogy is systematic way of learning anything.
Learning anything?
Like subject or any skill or any.
Is it the definition of pedagogy? Only this much is the pedagogy according to you?
So it is scientific way of studying, or in a scientific way of in way of studying the subject of pedagogy.
Are you comfortable with both the language, Hindi, English?
Yes, sir.
Or either Hindi or English?
Both, sir. Hindi, English.
Okay, good. Tell me something about yoga. How yoga is a sports?
Yoga says derived from the word yuj, which means to unite.
Tell me how yoga is a sports.
Yoga, sir, is a sports by only through the asanas, because asanas in competition are held, and this comes under the competitive competitions.
Okay, that's why yoga is known. Yoga is a part of sports.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me something about the class management? Because you are from pedagogy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the principles of class management. How will you manage a class?
I will manage the class firstly by taking the control over the students, by making them discipline, taking the command over my subject so that they not get bored, and I will also get the command on my teaching board skills and arrangement of our 3 lessons and preparing well for the lesson before the class.
What will be your role in the maintaining discipline of the school?
Sir, I will. One second, sir. Repeat, sir, please.
What will be your role in the maintaining the discipline of the school?
Sir, as a PT teacher, the PT teacher is very much more important in making the discipline of the school. So I will make a discipline by awareing the student not to follow the bad rules or bad things, and which are not according to the rules and regulation of the schools.
If you get any complaint about the discipline, what you will do with the students?
I will first try to make them understand that this is not the rule of our school. We should not try to do this.
Then also, if they not get to you, then
what, sir?
If they are not getting your rule, then
I will, sir, talk to higher authority like principal, sir.
Okay. What type of punishment you will use for the students?
Sir, punishment as KVS is not allowed, so I cannot give punishment to them.
Okay. How will you motivate students to take part in yoga, especially senior students of 11 and 12?
As sir, yoga is very important for our daily life, and the students of 11, 12 are in the phases of very tension and very fragile, that yoga will help them in controlling their mind and help them getting concentration, because in class 12 there is very much pressure in their study. So in practicing yoga, they will have to calm their mind and focus in the studies, sir. And I will tell the much more importance of yoga by giving the example of very good athletes.
What type of yoga you will prefer during assembly?
Generally, sir, asanas will be performed like Tadasana, Trikonasana. Like we will mostly go for these standing asanas, sir.
Why?
Because, sir, in many there is the main purpose is that uniform of different classes is different. So I will prefer only the standing asana, sir. Because in assembly we cannot perform the sitting asana. If there will proper management and proper dress code, then we can go for the all types of asanas, sir.
All types of asanas. Can you tell me something about command?
Sir, command are the 2 types: response command and rhythmic command. Command is given to give attention or give take attention of a person.
Attention of a person. For attention for a single person, you will use command.
No, sir. It can be of single. It can be of a group.
What type of formation you will prefer to teach yoga?
I will prefer, sir, if there is more number of the student, I will prepare semicircle or and height by single line formation, file formation.
Why?
Sir, in yoga, there is no need to of height sequence, because more amount of players, if students are there, I can make them to so that I can visible from any point.
That means according to you, the single line formation is good for yoga.
What, sir?
According to you, to teach yoga, single line formation will be better.
Not so single line can be better if there is less number of students.
If you have 40 students,
then I will make, sir, a file formation of four group.
File formation of 4 group.
Or I can go for the semicircle, sir, also, if I have a large space.
Why not circle?
Circle can be also, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
भरत जी,
Yes, sir.
आपका भी पहला इंटरव्यू लग रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपका आंसर बता रहा है आप पहली बार इंटरव्यू फेस, क्योंकि आप बहुत जल्दी में हो, ऐसा लगता है आप आंसर को लेके कहीं भाग रहे हो, है ना?
Yes, sir.
भरत जी, सबसे पहले तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू अपॉइंट एज ए पीटी टीचर, यू आर गोइंग टू अपॉइंट एज ए टीजीटी पीएनएच, फिजिकल एंड हेल्थ एजुकेशन.
Yes, sir.
इट इज अ सब्जेक्ट. आपको स्कूल में फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर के नाम से अपॉइंट नहीं करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू अपने पीटी टीचर वाला वर्ड यूज भी किया है ना?
Yes, sir.
ईवीएस में पीटी टीचर का कोई पोस्ट नहीं है. पीएनएच एंड कोच को भी कभी पीटी टीचर नहीं बोलते हैं. द वर्ड यू यूज बहुत ध्यान से यूज करना, आपने क्या यूज किया है.
Yes, sir.
अभी तो मैंने नहीं रोका, बाद वहां पे आपको रोक के बोलेंगे भरत जी, वी आर गोइंग टू अपॉइंट यू एज ए टीजीटी पीएनएचई, वी डोंट वांट पीटी.
Yes, sir.
सीधा बीच में ये रोक देंगे, है ना? नेक्स्ट थिंग, क्वेश्चंस का जितने भी आंसर्स है इतना जल्दी नहीं देना है.
Okay, sir.
क्वेश्चन समझ के आंसर देना है. मैंने आपसे पूछा था हाउ विल यू मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 11 एंड 12 फॉर योगा एक्टिविटी. मुझे वहां पे इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ योग फॉर डैम नहीं चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि 11-12 के बच्चों को योगा कराना इजी नहीं है. ये जितने भी सीनियर बच्चे हैं आप उनको फुटबॉल दे दीजिए, वो लोग खेलने चले जाएंगे. देखिए, योगा कराना इजी किसको है? इन बिटवीन 5 to 8 ईयर्स के मीन्स क्लासेस को.
Yes, sir.
एक्सट्रीम सीनियर एंड एक्सट्रीम जूनियर दोनों को ही बहुत मुश्किल. एक्सट्रीम जूनियर के पास पेशेंस नहीं होता है और एक्सट्रीम सीनियर के पास बदतमीजी बहुत होता है ना? आप अगर खड़ा होकर योगा कराना शुरू करेंगे, इमीडिएटली वहां से आपका ही मजाक बनाना शुरू कर दे. उस कंडीशन में आप योगा करने के लिए बच्चों को मोटिवेट कैसे करें? आप कैसे उनको एंगेज रखेंगे? आपने टोटल इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ योग बता दिया है. उनको इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ योग आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं, व्हाई दे नीड योगा क्वेश्चन नहीं था. क्वेश्चन था आप उनको कैसे मोटिवेट करें, है ना? क्वेश्चंस पूरा सुनिए, टाइम लीजिए, टेक योर ओन टाइम. कंप्लीट आंसर्स को बहुत स्पेसिफिकली दीजिए, ठीक है? और आंसर्स रेडी करिए. बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू से पैडागोगी एक ऐसा टर्म है जो सारे प्रोफेशंस को पता है. इट्स नॉट ओनली इन स्पोर्ट्स.
Yes, sir.
वहाँ जितने भी बैठे होंगे हर कोई पैडागोगी से आया है, बिकॉज दे ऑल हैड डन बीएड. वहाँ जितने पैनलिस्ट में होंगे सब एक्सेप्ट आपका सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट को छोड़ के प्रिंसिपल 1-2 जो भी बैठे होंगे, सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट एंड अदर टीचर्स जो सीनियर मेंबर्स बैठे होंगे, सबके पास पेडागोगी रहा होगा. मोमेंट यू यूज पेडागोगी, वहां से क्वेश्चन आपके पास आएगा ही आएगा. व्हाट इज पेडागोगी? आपके पास बहुत अच्छी आंसर होनी चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? और एज आप अपने आप को बोलेंगे यू आर गुड इन पेडागोगी, that means class management, principles of teaching, class formation, type of teaching methods, ये सब आपके पास क्लियर होना चाहिए. Either they will ask आप किस टाइप के फॉर्मेशन यूज करेंगे, और they will ask what are the teaching method you can use to teach yoga or teach any other physical activities.
Okay, sir.
इस टाइप के जो पेडागोगी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है इसमें क्लियर रहिए, ठीक है?
ठीक है, सर.
ट्राई टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट. क्वेश्चंस रेडी करिए और 1-2 बार अगर हो सके तो ट्राई करिए बैठने के लिए, देने के लिए. थैंक यू.